Website missing a crucial map? Struggling to add your business location? I'll show you the exact simple steps to integrate a professional interactive map on your Hostinger site, boosting visitor trust and engagement instantly. You know, having a clear location is just so key for any physical business, and I get how frustrating it can be when that vital piece is missing. Alright, here's the plan for today. We'll quickly navigate your Hostinger builder, select the map element, configure its location and appearance, then set a nice animation and save it all up for immediate publishing. It's going to be super straightforward, I promise. So to kick things off, the very first thing we need to do is jump into your Hostinger website builder. You'll want to log into your Hostinger account and then head over to your specific website project, like the Spalvoda Shirtis site that we're using for our example here. Just get yourself into that main editing dashboard, ready to make some magic happen. This is where all the fun begins, so take a moment to get comfortable. Once you're in your builder, look for the Add Element button. It's usually a plus sign, often on the left sidebar of your screen. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a whole bunch of different elements pop up that you can add to your page. Scroll down just a little bit and you'll find the specific map element. It often looks like a small location pin or a stylized map icon. Give that a click to add it right onto your page. Simple as that. Now that your map is placed, you'll see it on your page, probably showing a default location. To make it your location, you need to open its settings. So click directly on the map element you just added. A little toolbar or menu should appear right next to it, and on that menu you'll see an option that says Edit Map. Go ahead and click on that Edit Map button to dive into all the customization options. This is where the real important stuff happens, telling your map where to go. Once you're in the map settings, you'll likely see a few tabs. We're going to start with the General tab. Click on that. Within the General settings, you'll find a field where you can input your business address. This is critical for getting your visitors to the right place. Type in your full address there. And here's the thing. With my experience navigating the Hostinger builder, I've found that being super precise with your address input here makes all the difference for accurate pinning, so really double check it. You can also adjust the initial zoom level if you want it to show a wider area, or zoom right into your doorstep. Still in the General section, you might also see options to control how users interact with the map. For example, you can decide if visitors can zoom in and out or drag the map around. Usually keeping these enabled makes for a more user-friendly experience, but you have the flexibility to adjust them based on what feels right for your site. Just make sure the map feels easy to use for anyone who lands on your page. Next up, let's talk about the display. While still in the map settings, you might find some simple styling options to customize its visual appeal. This often includes things like choosing a map theme, maybe a standard roadmap, a satellite view, or a lighter, more minimalist design. Pick one that best fits the overall look and feel of your website. It's all about making it blend in beautifully. Now, to add a touch of pizzazz, let's look at animation. Find the Animation tab within your map settings and click on it. This is where you can select a subtle animation effect for your map. It can make the map feel more dynamic and engaging when a visitor first sees it on your page. Once you're in the animation section, you'll see various options for how the map appears. You can choose from different entrance effects. Maybe it fades in, slides up, or gently bounces. Take a moment to preview a few different animations to see what you like. My tip? Keep it subtle. A gentle animation is usually more professional and less distracting than something too flashy. Just click on the animation style that catches your eye. Finally, for that truly polished look, you might want to tweak some advanced styling. Still within the map settings, look for options related to borders, shadows, or even corner radius. You can add a slight shadow behind your map to make it pop, or round the corners just a little to soften its edges. These small details really elevate the professional feel of your site. Just click on the specific styling option you want to adjust and make your choices. Once you're happy with all your map settings, the location, the style, the animation, it's time to make it live. Look for a Done or Apply button within the map editing panel and click it. This will save all the changes you just made to the map element itself. But don't forget the last crucial step. You need to publish your entire website to make these changes visible to everyone. So hit that Update Website or Publish button usually found at the top of your Hostinger builder. And there you have it. You've transformed your website from one that was missing critical location information to a professional site with an integrated interactive map. This isn't just about showing an address, it's about boosting visitor trust and driving real-world engagement with your business. If this helped you out, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more Hostinger tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.